We spent 2 years building our photography watch. This is how we went from this to this. So our brief was simple. It had to be digital, inspired by photography with a retro 80s design. We hired a freelancer who created 5 rough concepts, and he was really inspired by the work of Ralph McQuarrie, the concept artist behind Star Wars, and Dieter Rams, the designer for Braun. We cherry-picked the parts we liked and combined them to create 3 new concepts. And from these 3, we found our winner we wanted to refine. So we took this design and gave it specific dimensions, sharpened up the edges, standardized ratios between the elements. Then each element had to be rebuilt in CAD, which we then 3D printed to create our first model. And tell you what, seeing it in hand for the first time was a really proud moment. But our work wasn't done yet, because this model showed us areas we still had to improve and refine. So for example, it was too big, the straps are too wide, too many sharp edges, and it wasn't comfy to wear on the wrist. We had to really think about how we can make a design that was universal so that anyone can wear it. So we softened the edges, added some curves, adjusted the sizing, and this is our final design. Now we're still refining it for manufacture, but take this as 95% complete. Lots of these changes were pushed by feedback from our followers, so if you think you can improve it, just let us know. Ultimately, we're super happy with how it turned out, and I think it hits the brief perfectly. Our campaign is still live and running until June the 5th, so if you like what you see, it's available now for £119. Link is in our bio. Ciao!